Here is a quick guide on how to use the VoxSMS web application. The mobile app is very similar, but does not include a couple of the features we're going to go through in this demo. The first step is getting registered with VoxTelesis. Once you're registered, they will provide you with a username and password, and you can log in. Once logged in, on the left-hand side, you will see all the options you can choose from this application. We're going to start by taking a look at the contacts. You can see I already have a contact created, and we'll go ahead and create a new contact. What's required is the name and a phone number. Email is optional, so we're going to add a new contact. You can see I have two contacts here, and we can start a conversation with those contacts by clicking on the Conversations tab and starting a new conversation. I can either enter the phone number in down here, or I can select the contact I want to start the conversation with. You can type your message down here, and it gets sent out. And I'm able to reply back from my cell phone. This is very good for creating one-to-one conversations and keeping, dialogue going back and forth. Next, we're going to look at the canned responses. This is also an auto response feature. So in this case, you can see that if I texted help to my phone numbers, I would get a support will reach out to you message automatically. You can make that more complex by creating, say, a weekly specials for your restaurant. Or you can just create something that says test. So there's a lot of different scenarios that you can do with this. I'll text hours to my own number. And you can see there's the automatic response for the message we wanted to send. The next thing we're going to look at is blasts. And this would be used if you wanted to send a bulk of messages to multiple users. Keep in mind that there are some restrictions on sending to multiple users. That is, there's a calls per second, per message limit, as well as the number of messages you can send per day. If you reach out to VoxTelesis support team, they can give you some more information. So let's create a new blast. And we're going to name this one New Hours. And in this scenario, we're going to schedule this for later. My time zone is Central, so I'll go select Chicago. And I want to send this out in 2 minutes. And I'm going to include both myself and the main VoxTelesis phone number. So that blast has been scheduled. It's going to go out in 2 minutes, and it's going to send to both these phone numbers. Well, now let's say I want to send this out right now. We can change this blast to send right now and update. So now this blast is being scheduled for right now. It will take 1 minute, and at the top of the minute, it will start sending those messages out. Next, we're going to look at my profile. In this, you can update your username in your email, as well as change your password. Under the admin menu, you can manage your users if you're an admin account, or you can see your statistics. So far I've sent 26 messages, or total messages 26. I've sent 16 and received 10. And there's been 0 failed. So that pretty much wraps up the web application for VoxSMS. The mobile application is missing the ability to create blasts and canned responses. But if you have the canned responses built on your web application or web browser, then you do not have to worry about it. They'll be automatically replied on your cell phone. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to the VoxTelesis support team. Thanks.